This brand is from Train Technologies and is sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA. The 4 TCA4 models are basic air conditioners with a 13.4 CO2 efficiency. The units use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R-32, but they are backed by a decent warranty that does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. They use a wire guard for condenser coil protection instead of louvered panels, which is cheaper but does not do a very good job of protecting the coil fins from damage. The units are field convertible from downflow, rooftop, installation to horizontal, slab, mounting, and offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide central heating. The 2 and 2.5 ton models use old rotary compressor technology, while the 3 to 5 ton models use modern scroll compressors, which are more durable. The units are very loud in operation with a 77 decibel rating, which is close to the sound level from an alarm clock. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.